Welcome, Leonardian! I'm D from Leonardo.Ai Discord. In today's wiki walkthrough, I will show you how to use style and content reference to get results like this. I also have a pro trick at the end, so stay tuned for that one. If you find today's video helpful, consider tickling the like button and sharing. There's a link for the wiki guide in the description. Step 1. From the homepage, click Image Generation. Step 2. Click here in the prompt box to bring up the image guidance options. Step 3. Click Content Reference and choose an image you want to change and give it the strength you like. Now click the Aspect Ratio Match button. I'm going with this muted but happy looking Leo. Step 4. Hit that image guidance button again and click Style Reference. Choose the image you want to use as the style change and adjust the strength to your liking. I chose this matrix style backdrop. Step 5. Now it's time for a prompt. Keeping it simple for this one, Leonardo da Vinci smiling. Step 6. It's preset time. Concept art for this one, making sure I have high quality on. I will go with cinematic concept for the style. Aspect ratio now, and for that 2 to 3 to match the input image. Step 7. Now I'm ready to hit generate. Oh wow. Yep, just wow. I'm very happy with that one, and I hope if you've been following along, you are happy with your images. I did, however, promise a pro trick. This could really help anyone who has brand colours and wants to easily incorporate them into your art. Maybe you want a new logo. Maybe you'd like some artwork for the office. Maybe you have game assets you want to match. With this guide, the choices are endless. Now you can head over to Discord, there's a link in the description to share your images. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and check out these 2 videos aimed at making you a pro with Leonardo.AI. Until next time, Leonardian, happy prompting!